Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread with vegetable oil. First, gather your ripe bananas. 3 medium-sized ones are ideal. Mash them well in a large mixing bowl until mostly smooth. Next, whisk in 1/2 cup of vegetable oil and 2 large eggs until just combined. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ensuring everything is well incorporated. This creates the essential moist base for your delicious bread. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly. Then, gradually add the dry mixture to your wet banana mixture. Fold gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough banana bread. It's time to bake. Pour your banana bread batter into a greased 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Ensure the oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of the loaf. It should come out clean. Let the bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack. For the best banana bread, always use very ripe, spotty bananas. They provide maximum sweetness and moisture. Feel free to customize your loaf by adding 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, chopped walnuts, or pecans to the batter before baking. Once cooled, slice and enjoy your homemade treat. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This recipe is simple, delicious, and perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.